Skipton. I'm going to look at a new 4x4. They're not actually released yet. We're potentially looking at putting a deposit down on one. The vehicle in question, it's got BMW 6-cylinder diesel engine, ZF 8HP Gearbox. If you've got any guesses as to what it might be, comment below. I'll give you 2 minutes to think about it, and I'll bring you back when we're there. Right, so I've arrived at Denton Cars in Skipton. I told you it was a 4x4. It had a BMW 6-cylinder diesel and a ZF 8-speed gearbox. It's not that. As you might be able to see, we're here to see the Ineos Grenadier. I'll take you inside for a look.
Put the running thing back on again. Yeah. Now, there's a slot right. I'm sure we've got demonstration. We went to Rosedale, we tried to do into the briefing process, and we couldn't manage that.
Just don't get that camera out of my face.
Right, we're on our way back. There's a distinct lack of footage, so they weren't overly keen on us filming. We couldn't have a look underneath or under the bonnet, which is a bit disappointing. That was one of the main reasons I wanted to go, so we could have a look at engine layout, turbo position, intercooler, things like that. None of which we've managed to get. It was a prototype build. The quality of some of the stuff was a bit questionable. So, like I say, I'm a little bit disappointed. A lot of questions left unanswered. To say they want a reasonable deposit to spec a vehicle, there's no firm pricing or warranty details, which I think when you're spending that amount of money, you want some firm answers. So, book's still open. Not saying we're definitely not going to get one, but we're in no rush now. See you later.